This video is the third part of this chapter. So we are moving to the next topic is files and folders. What are files and folders, right? Files are different applications that are having a particular information in the form of docs, right? Or PDF, image, video, audio. Is this okay? And folders are the directory, small cabin, you can say like this, where you can store your particular file, your particular information and related information in a particular folder. Is it okay? You can create multiple folders and folders inside folder, and you can change the icon of the folder, you can change the color of the folders. Is it okay? First of all, we are going to learn how to create and save a particular file. Suppose I am taking example of Microsoft Word 2016. I have opened here. In this book, it is an image of Microsoft Word, right? This is an applications, Word applications text editor. We have opened this. Something write anything on this page and going to this option. I am zooming this. Please look this. You can click either save or save as. If you are going to click on the save option, it is automatically saved in your file by default name. But if you are clicking on save as, you can give particular name and select particular folder where you want this file to save. Okay, means save as is going to provide a customization and save is not going to provide any customization. The shortcut key of this save is option is Control plus Ctrl plus S. Is it okay? This is the basic difference between save and save as, right? Now going to create a new folder. Just right click of your mouse. There is an option. Multiple options would be there. View, sort by, refresh, paste shortcut, undo, delete, graphics, new. This is the new option. You can create this. You can click on this new option. You can click, then you have to select different options again. You can select particular files or you can create a particular folder. Okay, and the shortcut key to create a new folder is Alt plus Control plus N. Is it okay? But in your book it is given as Control plus N, right? You can rename your folder by going to the right click option. By selecting the particular folder, there is an option of renaming this. I am zooming this. Yes, rename is showing here, but shortcut key to rename a folder's name is just select that particular folder and click on function 2 button, F2. Is it okay? If you have select any icon, if you have already selected any icon and just click on the right option of your mouse, then a pop-up window would be open. This is called context menu. Okay, right clicking on the blank area on the desktop, anywhere, any blank area on the desktop, if you are going to click there, the options would be here like this. A window would be open here and it is having a view, sort, refresh, undo, new, like these options are available on this if you are going to click on the blank area on anywhere on the desktop. Okay, and there is an option of this PC. There is an icon on the desktop. If you are going to click, right click by selecting this icon, so you will find different options, right? You can check your properties of your computer by going to these options, right? Different options are here. Managing, scan means applications, antivirus is available. If you have already installed in your system, it would be shown here, right? But different delete options is here, rename option is here, and property option is here. Property about computer, your system. Is it okay? Students, if you want to create any shortcut of your applications on the window, just select particular icons, particular for softwares icons, and drag and drop on the windows or drop on anywhere. Then you are able to create any shortcut of the particular icon. Okay, recapitulation options, all the points you have to write in your copy, fair copy, and the section A, this also you have to do in your copy, and section B also. Many of you are regularly asked me, sir, do you have to write in this copy or not? So please, all the questions, either it is filling the blanks or it is multiple choice question or true and false, all the questions you have to write in your fair copy. Don't write in book. Is it okay? So students, thank you to all.